welcome to another video, ladies and gentlemen and everyone that's on the channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you all for the support, and you guys are so awesome, and I am so blessed. Thank you, Lord, for everything you've done for me. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Listen, today we're just gonna jump right into our positive quote, and we're gonna go ahead and get the video rolling and get everything ready to go. So let's grab a card from the front. Like I said, we're gonna grab cards from the front, and let's see what this card says. May today be filled with kindness, self-love, and joy. Isn't this cute? May today be filled with kindness. Always be kind. Self-love. Always show your self-love no matter what. And joy. God bless all y'all. I hope that you guys' day will be filled with all of the above. So let's get into the video. I have $100 to put into sinking funds today. So we're gonna go ahead and count the cash and let's get it stuffed away. Okay, so we have $100 to add into sinking funds. Let's go ahead and count the cash. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we're gonna put up our $100. Let's do that. We have tens and fives, which is great. So before I get into the stuffing, I do have a confession to make. Well, it's not really a confession, but I want to let you guys know what the hell is going on, and before I even get into here and start stuffing, because guess what? I don't want no surprises, okay? So let's jump into sinking funds, because it's been 10 days since I've seen y'all and a lot has changed. By the way, the dashboards are available on the website if you guys are interested. The link is in the description below, as well as the whole binder. So let's get into it, right? So Christmas, of course, nothing has been spent out of Christmas. Christmas has been there. I mean, I wouldn't have any reason to spend anything out of Christmas because Christmas is not here yet. So it's not Christmas that I want to show you guys. I just want to show you guys what's going on in the rest of the year. So birthdays is completely empty. My boyfriend's birthday just passed, and I was able to save up the amount of money that he wanted to get whatever gift he wanted for his birthday. So I'm proud of that, but now we're starting from scratch. Whew. My mom's envelope is also empty. She asked me for some money, and I was able to clear that out and send it to her. Car maintenance is still there. Ain't nothing needed to get maintained with my car. Tolls is still there. Black Friday is still there. My brother still has $10. My daughter's money went down because I did buy some stuff for her. And travel is completely empty. I just returned from a trip. So I just wanted to show you guys what's going on before I even start the stuffing. Just in case you guys are looking and you're wondering, where the hell did all her money go? Because she definitely had more money than that in the previous videos. So I kind of just wanted to give y'all a little explanation first. So let's jump right into the stuffing, y'all. So I didn't divide how much money I want to put where as yet, so I'm just gonna do that real quickly. I kind of just go with what I think. It's just random for me. I kind of just put money wherever I want money to go. So I'm going to start with $100. That's what we have in cash. And first category we have is Christmas. I want to add 15. Well, let's add $10 to Christmas. So $10. Whoopsie. We're going to add 10 to Christmas. For birthdays, let's do 15, being that it's so empty. So let's restart birthday with 15. For my mom, we're going to add 10. For car maintenance, we're also gonna add 10. For tolls, let's do 5. For my brother, let's do 10. For my daughter, let's do 10 as well. Vacation, oh, I just came from a trip, no time soon, let's do 10. And for Black Friday, we're gonna put 20. So how I do this, it all depends on what's going on. You see how I just said that birthdays is empty, so I'm gonna add 15 into birthdays instead of 10. Certain things like that. It all depends on you and whatever you think is like priority and what's not priority. You know what I mean? What you use the most or what you don't use the most, or what's coming up now and what's not coming up. So I decided to put $20 in Black Friday because, as y'all know, Black Friday is right around the corner. Black Friday is coming up, so that's why I did that. So I kind of just have my overview, which I think I have this on my website, the 9-piece, maybe not this exact one. If you guys want me to add this one, I can. Just let me know and I'll put it up on the website. But this is basically my budget overview. I have one page for each binder, and before I actually come on the camera and do my videos, I normally just do this first, exactly what you guys just saw me do. That way I can have my iPad right in front of me so I can see how much money I'm putting where. So now we done figured out how much we're putting into each category. Let's put the money in each category. So we're gonna slide our calculator to the side because we just used her, and we're gonna open up our binder and we're gonna get into the stuffing. Now I'm gonna keep my binders this way just because I literally I make reels out of my videos, and when I turn them the other way, it's weird with the reels. So I'm just gonna keep it this way. So for Christmas, let's go ahead and put our $10 in Christmas that we just marked that we're going to add. So we're gonna take up our 10, and now for Christmas we have 120, 40, 50, 60. So now we have 160 in Christmas. Now we're gonna head into birthdays, and we said we're adding $15 to birthdays. So let's pick up our $15 and let's add it to our birthday. Next birthday in the family is my daughter's birthday in November. So let's see how much money we can come up with for her birthday. For my mom, let's add $10. Whoopsie, my bad, y'all. $10 to mom. How y'all been? Let me know in the comment. Do y'all miss me? I haven't been here in a while, but I promise you I'm back on a regular schedule. For car maintenance, we're also adding $10. We currently have 13, so adding 10 makes it 23. So let's put our 23 in. For tolls, we're adding $5 to tolls. Let's add our $5. And adding $5, that makes it 40. I really need to get back into this binder. For Black Friday, we're adding $20 to Black Friday. It's right around the corner, y'all. Right around the corner, literally. So we're adding $20. So with the $20, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, $115 to spend on Black Friday. For my brother, we are adding $10 as well. So let's go in and add the last 10 that we have here. So now he has $25. If he ever calls me, he wants some minutes, he wants me to send him some cash, you know, that's where it comes from. I have my daughter, which I'm adding $10 to hers as well. So let's take up 2 5s. Okay, so when I add $10 to my daughter, I have 20, 30, 45. And then last but not least, we have travel. And in travel, we're adding our last $10. So we're going to try to rebuild travel, being that we just traveled and we spent our travel money that we had. We're going to rebuild it. So we're starting from the bottom now. We here. But we're not there yet. We just starting from the bottom. So that's it for the sinking fund stuffing. Sinking funds is weak. It needs to get back up there. So we're gonna work on that for these coming months that we have left in the year. That's the goal. Let's get back our sinking funds binder high up there to the top. So I always like to keep it real with you guys when I mess up, when I slip up, because I want you guys to understand that no one's perfect. This process is not perfect. Just go with your flow, and if you mess up, just know what you did wrong and how to correct it and what to do better or different next time. So you guys know the website. If you guys are new here, subscribe to the channel. I want you guys to share the videos as well, and the link is in the description for my personal channel if you would like to watch my vlogs, or if you wouldn't like to watch my vlogs, that's fine. The link is there to my website if you would like to purchase any of my challenges, binders, or books. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I love y'all dearly to my heart, and I will see y'all in the next video.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that count